Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So today we're gonna talk about these three rising wedges all forming in the same pattern. So let's remove everything and start with the daily. So as you can see on the daily we have still failed to break above this red channel, and while still on the daily being in this rising wedge, and that is a bearish pattern. Now moving on the 6 hourly, we can also see, if we zoom into the 6 hourly, although we are still in that rising wedge, we have formed also a smaller rising wedge, which is the purple one. And if we zoom again in depth on the 1 hourly chart, we just broke into another rising wedge. As you can see, this was a rising wedge which today we broke to the downside, so its technical target, it's already about 22,700. And if we have everything in confluence with that, bringing everything up and zooming a little bit in, 22,700 would be somewhere around here. So the technical target of this blue rising wedge, which is the 1 hourly, which already broke, is around here, and is about outside of all those rising wedges. So the technical target for that would be then breaking the bigger daily rising wedge, which has a target of 19k. Also, as you can see on another chart, we are still finding resistance and being rejected. And I forgot to mention, guys, sorry for the low quality of the picture. Today I had an accident with the laptop while going to Sicily, so sorry for that. I will buy a new one. But going on the weekly, you can still see that we are being rejected once again by this blue line. Zooming in on the daily and having that blue line still in play, we can clearly see that we are still being rejected. Also on the RSI, as you can see, we are getting squeezed in this pattern. We still have this broadening wedge, which also, if we connect those two rejection points, comes in play like an ascending triangle, which yesterday faked out, and now we are back in, potentially still breaking to the downside. So guys, the technical target is still 19k. Pay attention on your longs. Happy trading and see you on the next one.